Hi, today's experiment is called a little acidic, a little basic. For this experiment, you're going to need 2 small test tubes and your test tube holder. You'll also need baking soda, your measuring spoon, a pipette, and your purple sweet potato water from the earlier experiment. From home, you'll need some vinegar and some water for mixing, and 1 other glass of water so that you can rinse your pipette. In test tube number 1, put 5 milliliters of vinegar. Now rinse your pipette. This will get rid of any of the vinegar. We don't want to mix any of these together with the water. Okay. Now, in test tube number 2, add 5 milliliters of the water. In test tube number 2, you're also going to want to add 1 level spoonful of the baking soda. Make sure you use the large spoonful and make sure it's level. Cover test tube number 2 and give it a good shake to mix everything up well. Good. Now that that's done, take your pipette and add just a couple of drops of the purple sweet potato water to each of the test tubes. In the vinegar and in the water mixture with the baking soda. Notice what happens.